Hey guys. All right, we're going to read a book called Robuddies, Time for Tacos by Bentley Whitworth. Good morning, Clank. Good morning, Meat. Good morning, Ribbit. What a beautiful day for gardening. There are so many fruits and vegetables to pick. Clank, how will you reach those avocados and limes? Oh, your long arms sure are handy. Those ripe red tomatoes look nice and ready to eat. Nice picking, Meat. Digging for onions. Looks fun. Ribbit, there is so much yummy food. What will you do with it all? Tell us your idea. Taco time. Hold on a minute. Do you two robots know how to make tacos? Ribbit loves tacos. He will show both of you. He will show both of you how to make them. Making tacos is easy. You put beans, cheese, salsa, and guacamole inside a crunchy shell. Clank, you found a can of beans, but it looks like it is very hard to open. Maybe you can help, Meat. Sometimes all you need is the right tool. Next up, salsa. Meat, it looks like your laser can cut the tomatoes, but it might take a long time. Sometimes being fast and strong gets the job done. Squish. And when you make guacamole, you need the right tools and the right team. Uh-oh, Meat, your laser is melting the cheese. Your fan can help with that, Clank. Time to fill up the taco shells. It is okay if you break a few shells. Oh no, all the taco shells are broken. You are a great team, Meat and Clank. You shoveled the shells into a plate. Clank, you pile on the toppings. Your laser is melting the cheese, Meat. Taco time is now. Nacho time. Oh my. Those nachos are so yummy. Do you have a surprise, Ribbit? You made a piñata and filled it with treats. It is time to open the piñata. What a perfect day for nachos, treats, and friends. Yummy. That makes Miss Hungry hungry.